Welcome to this message from the mountain, coming to you from the foothills of the White Mountains here in New Hampshire. Today's podcast is titled Finding the Way. I think back to when I was a Boy Scout many years ago, and we used to learn to use a compass, orienteering, as to how we could find our way from one place to another. Of course, you'd want to know the direction, north, south, east, or west. And then you would start in with the direction you were going, and you would pick a tree, say 300-400 feet ahead, however far you could see, and set yourself up and aim right for that. When you get there, then you would pick another point in the same compass direction that you were being led, and you could keep doing that until you came out to approximately pretty close to where you wanted to be. Of course, you might have a map to help you too. And then I think of today, GPS. All you need is a cell phone if you've got a good signal, and you get the number of where you want to wind up at. And that'll be accurate within maybe 50 feet. Pretty amazing how things have changed. And of course we do the same thing traveling in a vehicle, where we punch it into our GPS finder, follow the map. Then I think of finding our way in search of our sole purpose. And I think that inside of us we have ancient orienteering given us. Many of us disregard it. We look for all kinds of other advice to lead us in the direction that we think we should be going. But when our ego gets in the way, sometimes that's taking us off course. It's interesting how finding our way comes into many aspects of our life. And I go back to that point. If we do, as many people believe, have a soul's map to follow, it's inside of us. And we're guided to that. Just as the old compass or the GPS guides us to a spot, so too with what's inside of us, and our intuition guides us to where we should be in our soul's map. Just some thoughts in finding a way. My name is Michael Hathaway, and this is Message from the Mountain. Here's my prayer: these words are right and good for you, and if you hear them, thank you so much for listening.